Welcome to Countdown Cash, where we talk all things finance and help shape the young millionaires of the future. In today's video, we want to challenge the notion of seeking a one-size-fits-all success formula. Instead, we'll discuss why it's crucial to understand that everyone has their unique journey to success. So, let's dive in. Section 1: The Myth of a Universal Success Recipe. In our quest for success, we often look for formulas or recipes that promise guaranteed results. We're bombarded with books, courses, and gurus claiming to have the secret to success. However, the truth is that success is not a one-size-fits-all concept, and what works for one person may not work for another. Section 2: Stories of Successful Individuals. Let's take a look at some examples of highly successful individuals. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Oprah Winfrey are often cited as icons of success. However, their paths to success were vastly different. Bill Gates dropped out of college to pursue his entrepreneurial dreams, while Mark Zuckerberg launched Facebook from his Harvard dorm room. Oprah Winfrey faced numerous challenges and setbacks on her journey to becoming a media mogul. These stories remind us that success is not a linear path, but a collection of unique experiences and choices. Section 3: Creating Your Own Recipe. The key to unlocking your true potential lies in recognizing that you are the architect of your own success. You have the power to create your recipe for success based on your strengths, passions, and values. By embracing your individuality and charting your unique path, you open doors to possibilities that align with your authentic self. Section 4: Identifying Personal Goals. Success means different things to different people. It's essential to identify your own definition of success and set personal goals accordingly. Whether it's achieving financial independence, making a positive impact on others, or finding fulfillment in your chosen field, your goals should reflect your personal aspirations. Section 5: Embracing Failure and Learning. Failure is an integral part of the journey to success. Many successful individuals faced failures and setbacks along the way. They learned from these experiences, adapted, and persevered. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity and being resilient in the face of adversity are crucial elements of creating your recipe for success. Section 6: Cultivating Self-Awareness. Developing self-awareness is fundamental to understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and passions. Take time to reflect on your values, interests, and skills. This self-awareness will guide you in making choices that align with who you are and what you want to achieve. Section 7: Taking Inspired Action. Once you have a clear vision of your goals and a deep understanding of yourself, it's time to take inspired action. Success requires effort, dedication, and perseverance. Your unique recipe for success will involve taking calculated risks, stepping out of your comfort zone, and continuously learning and growing. Section 8: Examples of Unique Paths to Success. Let's explore some lesser-known success stories. J.K. Rowling faced multiple rejections before publishing the Harry Potter series, which went on to become a global phenomenon. Colonel Sanders, the founder of KFC, didn't find success until his 60s. These examples demonstrate that success can come at any age and through unconventional routes. Section 9: Redefining Success. Ultimately, success is a deeply personal and evolving concept. It's crucial to reassess and redefine success as you grow and change. What may have brought you success in the past may not align with your current values and aspirations. Give yourself permission to redefine success on your terms. As we wrap up this video, remember that seeking a universal success formula can limit your potential. Instead, embrace your uniqueness and craft your recipe for success. Draw inspiration from the stories of successful individuals, but remember that their paths were unique to them. So, step into your own journey, be true to yourself, and create a success story that is uniquely yours. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.